So the head command is a command line utility for outputting the first part of the files given to it via standard input, right? So it writes the results to standard input, but by default, head returns the first 10 lines of each file that it is given. You can add a number with the -n parameter to see the first specified lines if you want. You want to see how that works? I want to show it to you. So change directory to the /user/share/nmap/scripts. List files. And as you can see, there are lots of nmap script files. So let's run one of them with the head command. And it displays 10 lines by default. So let's specify a number with the -n parameter. Okay, so this time we see the first 20 lines of this file.